Hello everyone, my name is Rahmat Gunawan. I am from Chemical Engineering. Here, I will explain about the effect of water content on crude palm oil. In the crude palm oil industry, quality is an important factor for business continuity. There are several problems faced by the crude palm oil production process that cause the inability to achieve crude palm oil quality standard. The content of water and free fatty acids often exceed the maximum limit that has been set, causing a decrease in the quality of crude palm oil production. Moisture content is the amount of water contained in the sample. Water content can affect the quality of crude palm oil. The higher the water content, the lower the quality of crude palm oil. Water in oil only in small amount. This can occur due to natural process during fertilization and as a result of treatment in the factory in stock filling. The water contained in the oil can be determined by evaporation in a dryer. The different moisture content in palm oil depend on the effectiveness of processing palm oil into crude palm oil, and also depend on the maturity of the fruit. Overripe fruit will contain more water. For this reason, proper harvest arrangement and perfect processing are needed to get high-quality products. Palm oil, which has a very small water content, will give a loss of oil quality, whereas such a small level of water content will facilitate the oxidation process of the oil inside. This oxidation process can occur in the presence of oxygen in the air both at room temperature and during the processing at high temperature, which will cause the oil to have an inefficient taste and odor rancidity. As a result of which the quality of the oil decreases. To prevent the hydrolysis process, it is necessary to dry in a physical vacuum so that the crude palm oil contains a volatile substance with a moisture content of 0,1%. The effect of excess moisture content in crude palm oil is as follows. Number 1. Because the high water content in crude palm oil will automatically interfere with the bleaching process and will affect the color of the crude palm oil, namely red, which will increase or get bigger so that the quality of crude palm oil decreases. Number 2. Because the greater the water content contained in the crude palm oil, automatically the free fatty acid level will be even greater, and this will result in a decrease in the quality of the crude palm oil. With the disruption of the bleaching process in crude palm oil, it will automatically affect the quality of production and will disrupt the continuity of the process. Will the damage to the machine that affect the water content is the machine at the purification, so that when the diluted for the crude palm oil water content is high, the raw material data processed or machine damage at the clarification station is checked, and if there is a high water content, there is no FFB. Deviation, raw material, and machine damage. The cause of the high water content is assumed to be caused by human result. The result show the factor that influences the high water content at crude palm oil with raw material. Engine, the mix at the refining station, and the influence of pressure. And the factor that most influences the high water content crude palm oil. Quality standard of crude palm oil. Quality standards are important to determine good quality oil. There are several factors that determine the quality level, namely the content of water and impurities in the oil, free fatty acid content, color, and proxy. To determine the water content in crude palm oil, analysis can be done using the oven method. The purpose of the water content analysis is: number 1. Know the basic behavior of water content. 2. Calculate water content in crude palm oil. Working principle analysis of moisture content using the oven method, where the water content is calculated by calculating the difference in weight of the sample before and after. Then the work procedure for analyzing the water content, tool and material used can be seen in the picture. And the work step, after going through several steps, the water content can be calculated with the following formula. That's all I can explain. Thank you.